The Convert to Mtext Express tool enables you to combine many individual text objects into one multi-line text object. This can be particularly useful after recognizing and converting SHX text from an imported PDF file. Each of these lines of text, for example, are individual Mtext objects. Access the Convert to Mtext tool from the Express Tools ribbon tab or the Combine Text tool on the Insert ribbon tab. They both launch the Text to Mtext command. You can select Mtext objects in addition to text objects. A settings option on the command line displays the Text to Mtext settings dialog box. You can specify whether or not to combine the selected objects into a single Mtext object or simply convert any selected text objects to Mtext without combining them. The top-down sorting order is relative to the current UCS, and sorting is left to right when text objects are collinear. Justification is inferred based on the positioning of the text objects in the drawing instead of always using top-left justification. And when word wrap text is selected, numbered and lettered list formatting is inferred. If a line starts with 1 or 2 characters followed by a period and up to 10 spaces, list formatting is automatically applied. A new option enables you to force uniform line spacing. With multiple text and Mtext objects combined into one single, well-formatted Mtext object, you can continue adding and editing text using Autocad's powerful and intuitive Mtext editor.